This is a 2018 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. A really great touring bike. Now the color of this 2018 Ultra Limited is vivid black. This bike is in just excellent condition, and it has only 1,794 original miles on it. This bike is not even remotely broke in, so it is ready for a rider to take it cross country or wherever you want to take your next adventure to. Now, being the 2018 Ultra Limited, it is equipped with the 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine, so it has plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque to get you and your passenger and all your gear down the highway and up and over the hills. Plenty of power to pass and do it in comfort. It's a great touring seat on this bike. Very comfortable for the rider, very comfortable for the passenger. Huge backrest for your passenger. Being the limited model, it has the painted inner fairing, ABS brakes, 6.5 boom stereo system that has AM, FM, weather band, GPS navigation. You can also Bluetooth your music from your phone or your iPod into the system and control it either with the touch screen or with the hand controls. Compartment right here. You can put your phone or your iPad in there, or iPod, sorry about that, and it'll charge it and integrate it directly into the system. Big 6-gallon tank. Comes standard from the factory with a nice chrome luggage rack, so you have plenty of storage on this bike between the tour pack, the luggage rack, and the big saddlebags. It has the two options that just about every rider puts on a new bike, one being the highway pegs, and this has the Harley Davidson chrome long arm adjustables on it, and chrome slip-on mufflers so you can actually hear the bike run. Nice LED lights on the tour pack, give you a lot of visibility from people coming up behind you. And out front you have the LED headlight, LED driving lights, light up the road at night, LED fender tip light. Just an excellent touring bike. Super low mileage, ready for someone to make it their own. Of course, it has cruise control. It has the security system with the 2 keys, 2 fobs. Now, if you're in the market for a new touring bike for the summer adventures you've got planned, take a good look at this 2018 Ultra Limited. 1,794 original miles on it. Now, you could head down to your big local dealership and pick out a new 23, and after they get done adding all the dealer fees and mystery fees and the Harley Davidson $1,000 surcharge, you're going to be shelling out $35,000, $36,000, $37,000. Or you can save all that money and give Dream Cycles USA a call, and we will quote you a out the door price that you will not be able to believe. It will save you a ton of money. Use that for accessories, your next road trips. For information on how to put this beauty in your garage, call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.